Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are well. Today I'm back with another Ramadan special recipe which is really easy to cook, and the recipe I'm going to share with you today is fish pakora. For fish pakora the ingredients I will be using are, and also guys don't forget to check the ingredients, they will be in the description below. Cod fish, I'll cut them into slices. 1 teaspoon of Ajwain seeds, 1 teaspoon of crushed chilli, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Haldi powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of plain flour and 3 tablespoons of gram flour and some water to mix and make a paste. So first of all I will be adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste into fish. Then I will be mixing this. Now we're gonna leave the fish to the side. Here I will be adding 2 tablespoons of plain flour, brown flour, and now I will be adding all the spices: crushed chili, salt, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, haldi, Ajwain seeds. Now I'm gonna mix it. I will be using some warm water. Mix it well until it's nice and smooth. If you think it's too thick, you can add more water to it. As you can see, the paste is nice and smooth and is all ready. We're going to leave this paste for 20 to 30 minutes in the room temperature, then it's ready to fry. So guys, fish pakora is ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video and definitely try this recipe. It's really easy and quick. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about today's recipe. And inshallah I will be back with more Ramadan recipes. Hafiz.
Okay.